I have a consultation with a criminal defense attorney. Now, what do I do? Hello again, Jennifer Marshall, your criminal defense attorney here in New Jersey. And I have a real quick video here for you on do's and don'ts for getting prepared to talk to an experienced criminal defense attorney like myself. If you've been charged with a summons or complaint for a crime in New Jersey, and even if you've been given a temporary restraining order, you might be saying to yourself, I've never been in this situation. What do I do when I go to my consult? First and foremost, you got to get your documents together. A lot of times I have clients that come to their consultations and don't bring anything. And a lot of the questions that I may have and the information I need can be found on those documents. Some of those documents are the temporary restraining order themselves, the summons and complaint that you received from the officers or from the court, and any documents such as driver's license could be helpful, and any documentation that you may have gotten court notice wise from the court, because it's kind of important for me to know when you have court. So those are important to bring. My second one is, and I find this to be the most helpful, write down the events, because a lot of times we forget things over time. And let's say you're arrested and charged on a Monday and you don't have your consultation until the following Tuesday. That time between that Monday and Tuesday is the most beneficial for you to write down what's happened and try to remember what happened, because as time goes on, your memory is going to deteriorate and facts may get lost. Also, list some witnesses. When you're making that list about what events took place, write down people that may have saw it happen, or who was with you when you were arrested, or anybody who may have seen you not at the scene of the crime, anybody that I think I need to talk to help defend you. And last on my list of do's is write down your questions. I know speaking to someone like me can be very anxiety ridden, and you can get tongue tied and you can forget things, especially in such an emotionally charged thing like a criminal charge. So write down your questions. I'm not offended if you come to me with a list and you ask me questions. Questions are good. Questions is how we learn and process traumatic events. So bring that list of questions with you. Now, for the don'ts, don't post about your case on social media. I know that you have an opinion, like many people, and you want to put it out there, especially if you feel wronged in the situation, but don't post it on social media. Social is, for that reason, is to blast out to the world, but you're also blasting out to possible investigators at the prosecutor's office or people who may be witnesses against you later. So do not post on social media. And also, when you come to your consultation, my number 2 don't is try not to bring your friends and family. I know that you want to bring people with you because it's emotional and you want a support group, but friends and family need to stay in the waiting room, not come into the consultation. Sometimes they can interfere in the consultation, and I'm not saying this like they come in purposely to mess up your consultation. They do it not knowing. And also, it's kind of hard to be honest about a situation that's embarrassing when your family's there. So those are my do's and don'ts for criminal consultations. If you like this video, please share it and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember, when the legal system has you on the ropes, I'll be your 1-2 punch. Thank you.